Welcome. In front of me I have LG V50 ThinQ, and I'm going to show you how we can set up Face Unlock on this device. So at the first we have to move for the settings, and next we have to find lock screen and security. Right now when we are here we have to move for the select screen lock and click to allow face recognition on the switcher. Then read the description and click next. And before that we have to use second unlock method. So for example, let's use the pattern. Click next, then tap confirm. We can adjust notifications. I'm going to hide all of them. Click OK. So read the description and then just click start. So we have to keep our face in the circle and try to don't move it, don't blink. And as you can see, it's successful, so click OK. And right now, let's go back, tap on the power button and click it one more time, and as you can see our face was recognized and the device is ready to work. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.